recognize faces, analyze speech, even write poetry. But here's the real challenge. Can it truly understand how we feel? Empathy, that human ability to sense and share emotions, is something we value deeply. But can a machine ever feel empathy or just simulate it? When we say an AI understands emotion, what we really mean is it detects patterns. Your tone of voice, choice of words, even how fast you type. AI can read these signals and label them as emotions. It's what powers chatbots that respond with kindness or therapy apps that offer comfort when you're feeling low. But that's not empathy, that's pattern recognition. True empathy comes from shared experience, from knowing what it feels like to hurt, hope, or heal. I doesn't feel. It can't cry when you're sad or celebrate when you're happy. Yet, it can mimic empathy, sometimes well enough to make people feel genuinely understood. And in some situations like mental health support or customer service, that simulation can make a real difference. The question isn't whether AI can feel empathy, but whether it can support empathy. Imagine AI that helps doctors understand patients' emotions better, or tools that teach people how to respond with compassion. If designed ethically, AI could help us become more empathetic, not less. But only if humans remain in control, guiding the heart behind the code. So, can AI truly understand empathy? Not yet. Maybe never in the way humans do. But it can help us express, share, and protect empathy in a digital world that often forgets how human we are. What do you think? Can empathy be programmed, or does it belong only to people? Stay curious, stay kind, and stay human.